important points about job preparation and the importance of clean surfaces and contact points. The inverter technology provides a wonderful new experience in welding. They actually make it easier to achieve a good result. They're lighter, more portable, more efficient, and a whole lot smarter. Generally, when we begin welding, we experience difficulty because both the electrode and the workpiece is cold. During this time, the inverter automatically increases the power for a split second for a much easier start. The inverter also controls amps during the welding process. It'll increase and decrease power to help maintain a consistent weld. This is called arc force. The Weldcorp MIG welders start with the MIG 100. This welder is a no-gas wire feed welder that uses a flux core wire. This means that it's basically a wire feed arc welder with the wire having the flux on the inside, which produces the welding atmosphere whilst welding, similar to an arc welding electrode that has the flux on the outside. To load the wire and set up the welder for welding, you load the wire spool onto the welder like this, replace the washer, spring and retaining knob. Unwind enough wire to feed through the guide tube, through the rollers and into the lead a short way like this. Fold back the wire tension roller and tighten tension knob. Remove the torch gas nozzle and contact tip like this. This allows the wire to feed through the torch lead freely and reduces the chances of the wire penetrating the torch lead wall. Roll the torch out straight in front of the welder, switch the welder on, and press the torch trigger, holding the lead straight out in front of the machine like this. Wait for the wire to feed through the lead and out the end of the torch. By holding the lead straight, it'll reduce the chance of the wire penetrating the wall of the lead. Replace the contact tip and nozzle, and adjust the wire tension knob so the wire still feeds when you hold the end of the wire, like this. Trim the wire to about this length and you're almost ready to go. This process is the same for all MIG models. To set up the MIG welders for welding, the aim here is to select the correct wire speed to match the amp setting. You can check this chart in your owner's manual for a starting point. It'll give an approximate setting to start, then it's a little trial and error to achieve the correct setting. If your wire speed is too slow and your amps are too high, it'll look like this. And if your wire speed is too fast and your amp is too low, it'll look like this. This is what you're looking for. Correct amps and correct wire speed will look like this.